Do you like to travel? Then do not miss this video. आजकल Instagram पे ड्रीमी पिक्चर्स देख के मेरा भी बड़ा मन करता है to explore new destinations. In fact, a recent report ने suggest किया है कि Indians are spending a lot more on travel domestically and internationally. Experiences like live concerts. Coldplay याद है? But ये सारी memories का एक price tag होता है. An average Indian family spends about 2.5 to 7 lakh rupees on an international trip every year. काफी बड़ा amount है ना? But don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to help you set up a travel fund and be stress-free. At Womoneysta, we have helped many women travel stress-free by creating this special travel fund. Let me share 4 tips to help you set it up too. सबसे पहला step, identify your travel goal. Sometimes we have very specific destinations or experiences in mind, like I want to do a world tour or watching the northern lights. In this case, सबसे पहले identify करो कि जाना कब है and then attach a very specific budget. Do not forget, apart from the regular costs like flight tickets and hotel bookings, you will also spend on visas, local travel, and of course, shopping. Come on, but all of us don't have very specific plans. In that case, let's create a travel fund. सोचो साल में कितनी बार travel करना है? Maybe 2 domestic trips worth 1 lakh each and 1 international trip worth 3 lakhs. Total 5 lakhs. This is a good starting point of your travel fund. Which are the right investments for a travel fund? Travel fund is generally considered as a short-term goal, which means this money can't be parked into very risky investments. But we all know कि बैंक अकाउंट में रखने से तो इन्फ्लेशन बीट नहीं होगा. इसकी प्लानिंग थोड़े बैलेंस के साथ करनी पड़ेगी. So let's break this into 2 parts. अगर आपको एक साल के अंदर ट्रैवल करना है, then look at liquid mutual funds or FDs, which are safer options. They offer stability, easy access, and no last-minute stress. For trips more than a year away, आप monthly invest कर सकते हो into corporate bond funds, arbitrage funds, or if you're comfortable taking a little bit more risk, hybrid funds. These can give you returns approximately in the range of 9 to 10%. But beware, there are no guarantees here. कहा था ना, delicate balance है. If you need personalized advice to create a travel fund, book Womoneysta's free 15 minutes consultation using the link in the description. अब अगला step, travel insurance. लेना चाहिए या नहीं? Travel insurance is not mandatory for most destinations. But if you're making that foreign trip, then I suggest you better make that investment. Why? Because at a small price of 1,000 to 1,500 rupees, it covers you for issues like flight delays, loss of baggage or passport, and any medical emergency in a foreign country. Let's travel smarter using credit cards. पता है traveling से ज़्यादा मज़ेदार क्या है? Free में travel करना. Yes, it's possible to get free flights and accommodation. थोड़ा टैक्स तो भरना पड़ता है, but using the right travel cards helps you save holiday costs by a massive 20 to 30%. कैसे? Start by shortlisting only travel-related cards with benefits like reward points, milestone benefits, lounge access, and partner programs with flights and hotels. With proper use of these cards, आप एक flight तो free manage कर ही लोगे. So here you have it. 4 things to help you build your travel fund. If you want more detailed information, do check our course, How to Build Your Travel Fund. The link is in the description. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. And do let us know in comments, where are you traveling next?